So this is the adductor machine, and you'll have to bear with me a bit on this one because the only time I really explain how to do this exercise is when teaching a student how to do this exercise. It's not one I have consistently in my own program, but somebody might want it in their program, so I'm going to go through it. So the adductor muscles are the muscles that basically adduct your thighs, so bring your legs together. So we've got some adjusters. Got the usual weight pin. I'm going to start with this very low on this one. We've also got an adjuster here. Now what we want to do is start with our legs as abducted as we can tolerate, really. So I lift that handle and I just bring my legs as far apart as I possibly can until I feel a stretch, which is there, and then I can release the handle. So that's the starting position. Now if you just watch me, okay, so all I'm doing is sitting back in the chair, holding onto the handles, and then just squeezing these pads together. As I separate the pads, I go until I feel that stretch and before the weight stack touches, and then I bring them back together again. Now, someone with blinding hip mobility probably will go with their legs out here. So you might see some people doing it with a really big range of motion. I don't. Okay, and then when you're finished, lift that lever up, bring them back together, and then you can step out. So that is the adductor machine.